WLTJ.
Mike, you're so fast it's not funny.
That's what she said.
You know who I am, don't you?
Let me guess. April?
Yes. And it's June. Boy, am I 2 months late, huh?
What can I do for you tonight?
Oh, for me and us Slavish girls at the club, we'd love to hear a Barry White tune tonight.
What would that be?
I'll let it up to your discretion as a man, and you're a hell of a man.
Thank you, dear.
We love you. You know, we can't wait till 10 o'clock, quitting time, and we'd love to hear something from Barry White. He's sensuous.
Okay, we'll do something for you on Pillow Talk tonight.
Okay, thank you.
You bet. Bye-bye.